Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious yummy roast chicken. If you want to see how I made this yummy roast chicken, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please press that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Next, I have the chicken here which I've washed and is clean. And I washed with lime. So next, I'm going to use a kitchen towel to soak up the excess water, the moisture. I don't want it to be too watery. You want to do that because I'm going to be rubbing this some butter. Going to go in and soak up. Do you see that? You don't want that. To season the chicken, these are all the seasoning and spices that I'm going to use to season the chicken. I'm going to name them. Here I have 1 teaspoon of minced herb, a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, some bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. These are all the seasoning I'm going to use today, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. So what I'm going to do now is to mix all of them together, which is my favorite part. Do you see how I'm mixing them together? Oh my god, and it smells so nice. All of this together smells so nice. I'm just going to mix it together until it's well combined. After mixing the seasoning and spices, this is what it looks like. I'm going to keep it aside for later use. After that, I have some melted butter, which I'm going to rub and massage all over the chicken. With this, you want to rub all over the chicken. Under the skin, you want to lift the skin and apply some butter. You want to make sure that the chicken is well coated with the butter. This is going to add a lot of flavor to the chicken after roasting. But if you don't want to use butter, you can use vegetable oil or you can use olive oil. Once achieved that, the next step is to rub the spices all over the chicken. And also you want to make sure that the spices is rubbed all over. I mean, under the skin, you want to lift the skin and apply the spices under the skin. You want to make sure that the chicken is well coated with the seasoning and spices. What I call this is chicken shower. Like shower the chicken with the spices and seasoning. The spices, making sure that the chicken is well coated with the spices and seasoning. The next step is to stock the cavity. To stock the cavity, I'm going to be using some bay leaf, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, but feel free to use any vegetable or anything that you want to use, but thyme is compulsory. Some people even use garlic, but I don't want the strong taste of the garlic, so I'm not going to be using garlic. But at this point, you want to stock your cavity with whatever you feel like stocking it with. But today, this is what I'm going to be using. So after that, I'm going to tie the legs of the chicken together, and I'm going to be using some sewing thread to do that. But feel free to use any rope that you have at home, but you have to make sure that the rope is clean because you want to eat your chicken. You don't want any bacteria in your chicken, so that's what I'm going to be doing, tying it with some sewing rope that is clean. After that, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a roasting tray, but before that, I'm going to apply some butter on the surface of the tray, then transfer the chicken. After transferring the chicken to the baking tray, the next step is to cover with a cling film, then transfer to the fridge to rest for 24 hours and marinate. Please, you don't want to skip this step. You want your chicken to marinate for 24 hours. So this is 24 hours later. I'm going to open the chicken. At this point, the chicken has soaked up all the seasoning and spices, and the flavor will be so rich when you eat it. Next, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius. But before that, I'm going to brush the surface of the chicken with vegetable oil. This step is very important. This is going to ensure that your chicken does not dry out. You can use olive oil, you can use cooking oil, but I prefer to use vegetable oil. And when baking, after 40 minutes, you want to repeat this step again. This is going to ensure that your chicken does not dry out and come out in the oven golden brown after baking. And you want to bake the chicken 180 degrees for 1 hour 40 minutes. If you can't marinate your chicken for 24 hours, you can do 6 to 8 hours. But as I said before, if you want to get a better taste out of the chicken, you want to marinate for 24 hours. Next, I'm going to transfer the chicken to the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, and you want to use the setting where the heat is up and down. And you're going to be baking for 1 hour 40 minutes. Remember to brush the surface of the chicken after 40 minutes with vegetable oil. After baking the chicken for 1 hour 40 minutes, this is the finished result. This is what it looks like. This chicken was so tasty. I don't need to tell you, just try it. Try it and come back and tell me the result. It was so yummy and tasty. It was so flavorful. It was so rich in flavor. The taste was rich. It was in point. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. The old ones, all of you who have been supporting me, thank you so much. You can see me moving the chicken around. It was well baked, smoky, yummy. Oh my god, this chicken was so tasty. I can't stop talking about it. Well, you need to try this. Share this video with your friends and family and in your social media handle. Thank you as you do so. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Please check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients I use in making this yummy roast chicken. Thank you so much. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.